Hi friends, welcome to Techie Insights. The world's leading producer of camera and drones, the DJI has announced its new product DJI Home 4. In today's video, we shall discuss the price and new features of the DJI's Home 4. Whether it's worth buying, is it good time to upgrade from Osmo Mobile 3? Let's find out. DJI's Home 4. Home 4 might be the Osmo Mobile 4. It is just an upgrade to Osmo Mobile 3 which was released last year. This is a very short review on the product comparing to its predecessor Osmo Mobile 3, and I will post my detailed review when it hits market. Let's see the complete details of the product. Seems only the magnetic design is the new feature, quite very easy to mount and unmount the phone to the gimbal. This is how the gimbal looks like. As a part of magnetic design, we have magnetic mobile clamp and magnetic ring holder, out of which the magnetic mobile clamp is preferable than magnetic ring holder. This is only the newness in the product. When it comes to application part, we have some interesting updates. Cool features like Clone Me Pano, dynamic zoom and upgrades to active tracking. When it comes to active tracking feature, DJI is the best in industry. No other can compete with DJI's active tracking. And it seems rest are same as before. Only Apple devices support slow motion. Lenses and filters can be attached to your phone by counterbalancing the weights here. Another interesting thing in Osmo Mobile 4 is it can unlock some of the compatible devices with gimbal when it is in standby mode. Here are the complete inbox contents. When it comes to price, you may get it around 11,000 Indian currency, while Osmo Mobile 3 was 10,000. The extra 1,000 is reasonable for detachable magnetic holders. Finally, I feel that the DJI is listening to his customers' feedback. A year ago when Osmo Mobile 3 was released, there was a huge demand for it. People loved its compact foldable design and its new features. I was one among them. Compared with other mobile stabilizers, DJI was an excellent product. But personally, what really bothered me was one should always balance the gimbal whenever we unmount the mobile device. This is the major issue with DJI's Osmo Mobile 3. Now with Osmo Mobile 4, this was resolved. If once the metallic ring or the metallic holder is balanced, then that's it. Everything is set unless and until you unmount the clip or detach the metallic ring. Let's have a glimpse at what the updates does the application has got. Being a user of Osmo Mobile 3, I personally feel this is the only update that Osmo Mobile 4 has received. In terms of gimbal, nothing pretty much has been updated, but in terms of the Mimo app, a lot has been updated. They both does the same thing. DJI's Osmo Mobile 4 is worth buying, but it is not worth upgrading from DJI's Osmo Mobile 3. One who already has Osmo Mobile 3, better to wait for the next proper upgrade.